Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Revolut multi-currency account. Revolut is a popular digital banking platform that allows users to hold and manage multiple currencies in a single account. To get the most out of your Revolut account, follow these step-by-step best practices. First, understand the basics of a multi-currency account. A multi-currency account allows you to hold and manage different currencies, making it ideal for travelers, expats, and businesses that deal with international transactions. With Revolut, you can hold up to 29 currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. To manage your account effectively, set up your currency exchange settings. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates, but you can also set your own exchange rates or use the interbank exchange rate. You can do this by going to the settings section of your account and selecting the currency exchange option. Another best practice is to keep your account funded. You can fund your account using a debit or credit card, bank transfer, or other payment methods. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to avoid overdraft fees or declined transactions. When making international transactions, use the local currency to avoid conversion fees. For example, if you are in the US, use US dollars to make purchases or pay bills. This will help you avoid conversion fees and get the best exchange rates. Use the Revolut app to track your transactions and account activity in real time. The app allows you to set up notifications, track your spending, and freeze your card if it is lost or stolen. You can also use the app to send and receive money internationally, making it a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances. To get the most out of your Revolut account, take advantage of the additional features and benefits. For example, you can use the Revolut debit card to make purchases online or in store, or use the Revolut credit card to earn rewards and cashback. Finally, stay safe and secure by following best practices for account security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and monitor your account activity regularly. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access and keep your finances safe. In conclusion, using a Revolut multi-currency account can be a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances, especially if you travel or do business internationally. By following these best practices, you can get the most out of your account, avoid fees and charges, and stay safe and secure. Whether you are a traveler, expat, or business owner, Revolut is a great option for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals.